I'll use the by default Superstore Data. I will see the distribution of the profits over the quarters. For that, I have already taken the sum of profits. Now I will take the order date. I will break it down to quarters. For making a waterfall chart, it is important to have both positive and negative values. So I'll need to see on which region we have both positives and negatives. I have taken it as a filter, taking it all, and I'm showing the filter. Okay. Now let's see which region did how well on which quarter. So we can see the central region did quite well, but in quarter 3 of 2016 and quarter 4 of 2019 were some negative values. So if we want, we can work with that. So I'll be using the central one. So as a first step, we will need to change the marks type to Gantt Bar. Then we will need to create a negative value of profit. For that, we will create a calculated field. Okay, let's name it negative profit. Just add a negative sign in front of that. Fine. So let's put some colors into it. So we'll use sum of profit for that. Okay, have reached the part. Okay, I don't like the color, it's gradient, so I'm going to change it into 2 steps. Okay, let's change it. Fine. Now we can see the positives and negatives, which is clear by the color. Now for the size, for the shape of the waterfall chart, we'll be using the negative profit. So that doesn't look quite good because we did not do one major thing, which was a quick calculation, and we want to make it running total. So that's as simple as that. We have created a waterfall chart. We can see that in 2016 we have had a negative profit of $2004, and we did most of the profits in quarter 4 of 2018. And we can see the chart for other regions as well. So it works for the south, you can see that. And one important thing is you can even break down the chart into more parts. Like if I want to break it down to months, just click onto that and we will be able to see the profits distribution based on the months. So that's all. Thank you for watching.